Hi, I'm Chef Pop. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make Japanese chicken karaage with tomato sauce and cheese. I have chicken karaage here. This is leftover that day before. I mean from yesterday. I'll change this to new dish. Let's get started. Cut eggplant, divide 3. Finger size. You can cut your way. Cut ball of shiitake. And slice. Shimeji mushroom. Sliced onion. Fresh garlic and chop. Take out the skin. Start cooking. Turn on medium heat. You can put oil more than you think. Eggplant. Same as deep fry. You can take out the eggplant when the skin's color becomes bright. Take out oil, but keep some oil for next. Chop garlic, butter, onion, mushrooms, shake black pepper, and soy sauce. Butter and soy sauce are very good combination. Turn off the heat once and put chicken karaage. Pasta sauce. You can choose any flavor of pasta sauce. Back eggplant on the frypan. mozzarella cheese. Turn or torch, or put it in the oven. Put edamame. Okay, let's try to eat. So nice. Oh, very good.